Right, so as we are waiting for episode 2 of trying to fix my crashed Fiesta, I figured we'd actually open all the stuff that I've bought because the suspension it's not hard to get off, but it's going to take some patience. So in the meantime, I have ordered a ton of stuff. Let's take it outside and let's have a look. Thank you for all the support as well. But yeah, this is going to be a sick build. Right, so obviously this is the current state of the car. We are slowly stripping it apart. I've ordered a new door, a new wing, everything. I've got the side skirt upstairs. But during my adventures, I figured, why not just upgrade while we're at it? So we've got BC coilovers, we've got ITG intake. Let's get it all out and let's have a proper look. Obviously we've got the wheels here. I have actually bought 2 sets. So as I said, if you're not already following, please do, because this is going to be a crazy build. So as I said, first things first is the ITG intake. Now I have been told for big power this is the best option. It is a Voodoo product. It's quite a cool filter, and the way it mounts is like down in the engine bay apparently. And as I said, yeah, this is apparently best for big power, so I figured it would suit me nicely. Next we do have the Turbo Smart boost gauge. Basically does what it says on the tin. It's not so much for power, it's more for just keeping track of everything. It does go in the air vent, and I think it's going to look sick. Next we've just got all the arms. So I've got the lower arm, the drop link, because the drop link did snap off when we took off the strut, and the new track rod. And I do also need a new track rod itself, I think, but we've done all that now. Let's open the exciting thing. Funny enough, I actually ordered these at like 6:30 last night. It's currently 10 o'clock the next day and they're already here, which is very impressive. I did go new because I just couldn't be bothered to wait for a set to come up used. I have gone for the BC BR RA with a 5-to-3 spring rate. It's basically the ones that everyone said was best for everyday use but to still have fun. So it's here. Let's open it. Right, this is the strut. You've got camber adjustment, which I didn't even know it has that, so I'm proper happy with that. They look beautiful. They're very heavy compared to the standard ones, but I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, but they are beautiful. Look at the finish on them. Oh my god. As I said, if you don't already follow me, please do, because this is going to be an insane build. Now that was just unboxing everything that's come so far. There is a few more things coming, but yeah, as I said, make sure you're following, and hopefully I'll see you again. Cheers.